That's what we're looking at.
Thank you for joining us in South Beach, Florida, Miami Central for Bachelorette birthday pre-engagement fun. We're about to witness the ultimate dance-off between Jessica and Amanda.
Yeah!
After the show, we invite you to call in with your votes. And let's take it to the dance-off. Let's kick it off with the Running Man!
More aggressive! More aggressive! More energy! More energy! Kick it up! Yeah! Smash that hair!
Yeah, I'm feeling it! I'm feeling it!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! You're not done yet! We got 17 seconds!
Roger Rabbit! Roger Rabbit!
Roger Rabbit! Kick it up! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Don't lose your shirt! Oh! Thought of that!
No, that was a dance off to the Sizzle Hizzle!
Yeah!
Came off strong with the Running Man, eye to eye, head to head, face to face.
Yes!
I gotta say, Jessica transitioned very smoothly into the Running Man, but Amanda's energy was right up there. Text 4701 if you want Amanda, 4703 for Jessica.